Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Exactly, I have corals here. You can snorkel here.
So the life jacket we will rent, it's 25,000 rupiah.
Unlimited.
Unlimited time.
But already late, so...
How about the mask?
Mask also 25, so total 50.
25? Oh, but we have mask already.
For you have, right?
Yeah.
Then we just need only live vest, that's all. But we cannot swim now, she not allowed, right?
How about this one?
This
fins?
one tomorrow, because today
How about
already.
the fins? How much fins?
How much fins?
25.
Also to us, all 25.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
But if you take fins, mask and this, you can give discount or no?
I can give 60.
Okay.
If you still stay here, better tomorrow.
Yeah, but I want to test.
No, I want to check only what to see. Yeah.
Tomorrow we come back. Yeah.
We purposely come here in Amed to do snorkeling and to see beautiful marine life. It was already late afternoon when we came to see the beach with the snorkeling spot. We are here in Jemeluk Beach.
So Archie will check the snorkeling spot. He rented some life vests. We have our own mask.
Archie will do snorkeling and I will stay with the kids so they can enjoy playing in the shore.
And then the kids is here with me. 2 kids, yes.
Mouth.
Huh? What's that?
Mouth.
Mouth? Where's the mouth? Ah, yeah. She said this is mouth. Okay, good girl. You found the mouth. Luchik is here also, playing.
Jemeluk Bay is a stunning stretch of black sand beach located in Amed, east of Bali. As a result of its calm, clear waters and flourishing coral reefs, it is also considered to be one of the best snorkeling spots on the island.
Yes, just look for dinosaur. Papa is there swimming.
The view over Jemeluk's tiny bay with impressive Mount Agong in the background is an iconic image of Bali. The kids over there also enjoys playing and swimming in the water. They are grouped together and enjoys playing with the use of surfboard. At young age, they already get to enjoy seeing underwater marine life. A beautiful childhood experience which they will treasure for the rest of their life.
Adelina, what you found?
I found a water.
Try to look for dinosaur. Try to look for dinosaur. Last time you found dinosaur, right? Try to look for dinosaur. Adeline, show me dinosaur. Where's the dinosaur? Oh, you have dinosaur? Wow! You found dinosaur? What's that? It's hot? It's orange. This one orange.
After Archie is done with snorkeling, we went to nearby restaurant to eat our dinner.
Mama, drink.
So Luchik is
Drink
happy.
water,
You
you
have
drink
some
your water.
gula. Gula milaka.
Yeah, water, yes. Thank you.
This is for Mama.
water.
She's asking to put in. You see, this little girl don't want to drink in the bottle. She want to drink here.
Water.
We ordered chicken nuggets for the kids for their
You
snacks.
put here. It's hot.
Sour. 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 Sour.
Maybe. It's hot.
We also ordered French fries, but they didn't like it.
You want water?
Yes. I need to request another bottle already for you. See, I drink you see, you want water.
Papa.
Because Adelina also finishing.
Adelina likes to drink water.
What? She
She
drink
likes to
even
drink.
more. You see, she drink a lot more.
For Archie, he ordered mahi-mahi burger and mixed salad. Luchik loves swing. That's why when he saw that there's a swing here in the restaurant, he immediately asked me to bring him there.
The girl went right.
Adeline also felt jealous and also want to play in the swing.
Come, Mama, help you. Ay! Careful, be careful. Wait, Mama, help you.
Both kids are also busy with this swing. They are just waiting here while waiting for their order. We also ordered additional pasta for the kids because they only eat chicken nuggets. For me, I ordered pepes ikan.
Because she cannot go down. You see, crying. Luchis are betraying her.
I miss eating pepes ikan way back when we were in Bali during COVID time. It's a long day for us. Both kids are tired and now sleeping tight. Another adventure will unfold the next day. Thank you for joining us in today's vlog. Take care, God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye bye.